Namaskar, Namaste. Once again, I am coming to you all. Yes, lot of phone calls, lot of enquiries, a lot of messages in personalized direct messages in Twitter account and in Telegram, WhatsApp. Phone calls are also coming about, sir, what about the July examination? Many of our friends have written that kindly don't cancel the July examination. There are many who are really suffering, maybe 100 kilometers, 200 kilometers, 150 kilometers away from the centers which the institute is having for the forthcoming examination. How we will travel, sir? If we travel also, then we have to search for the lodge, accommodation and stay there, and our parents are very much worried. We are also worried about our health. Day by day, the coronavirus, whatever people tell, it is increasing. It is really scaring. Kindly tell us whether examination will be there or it will be postponed. So here are two things. One, a group is telling that kindly don't postpone. Maybe they are comfortable at the place and the center chosen and they are at home, so they feel that they don't want to lose one chance. The other side, the anxiety which our students are having, especially in certain places where we are seeing, we are also aware. So it is not you, the institute, the officials, the elected representatives, the president, the vice president, chairman of the region, chairman of the chapters, along with all elected representatives. We are also very much about your health and the forthcoming news. Day by day we are seeing. Yes, at present my suggestion is kindly don't give too much importance to that. That is future. Say after another 1 month plus, right? At now we want you to be safe at home, and please do enjoy studying also. The institute is providing online classes, institute is providing online courses, institute is providing a lot of webinars exclusively for the students, subject wise, right? We are there with you, we are for you only. If need be, as already conveyed by CMA Balwinder Singh sir, Honorable President, in his messages also, that we will take appropriate action. We will not let you down. We will not let you down. There are students who are worried about the re-verification result, recounting which they have given. The situation like you people are facing at your places, same is faced by the officials, the human beings of the institute also. Unless otherwise they all are able to join back duty, as already mentioned by me, it is not possible for the examination department to put up the note to the examination committee, wherein I am also a member. So kindly understand, as and when it will be through, you will be announced with the result. We are all more worried about your safety, your comfortable and your other family members' safety. We are very much worried about that only now. Okay. So this is exactly what I want to convey, that institutes, whether it is our institute or any other institute for that matter, they are for the students. Kindly understand, nobody will take the risk of putting you into some situation that you just, we have put you in the water, you swim, and we don't do that. We know, like you or more than you, we have the anxiety. If at all we conduct the examination, how you people are going to travel, you are going to write. You leave about our friends who are telling that we can, please don't cancel the examination. We are worried about even those who are in the same place at home, how they will travel and reach and do social distancing in writing the examination if we conduct in July also. Not only that, those who are going to travel for hours or kilometers, stay in some other place and write, we are worried about that 3 hours you are going to spend in the examination hall with social distancing. Whether the college authorities, the school authorities, the centers in charge, whether they are ready to do it. So many things are there. So we are taking stock of things, and as and when we feel that some announcement should be made, yes, the institute will come back with the proper notification. So for the time being, please don't worry. Please take care of yourself. This is my humble request. I know your anxiety. Many of my dearest student friends are writing, Papan sir, please reply, please reply. Once something I reply, or the reply which may be happy for them or not happy, they are happy that they are getting reply from me. But more than this, about the future, what I can tell? About the past, at least I can remember something and share with you. The present I can share. The future I also cannot share, na? Right? So be rest assured, the institute is very much with you. And because of this pandemic, I have got more and more new student friends. I am telling you. I can understand the anxiety which we never had when we were students this much. We were only worried about how we will write the examination, how to come out successful, and what questions will be asked. But now, apart from all these things, you have an extra thinking. It is coming to, it is nothing wrong. It happens. If I were a student, I would have written more than you people have written to the institute requesting us to guide me, please answer like that. I agree. I agree to that. You are all so humble and very simple students, children. I can understand. You are at times you are writing in public, at times we can understand your anxiety. But whenever institute is putting any program or anything in Twitter or some other places, immediately don't reply to that asking that question. You are already asking personalized question. You can write to the help desk, you can write to us, you can chat with us, you can call us. My one suggestion, of course, if you feel so, you continue doing whatever you want, but however still it won't look nice, na? When institute program or webint or some other announcements are made by the institute by their Twitter handle or my personal Twitter handle, immediately instead of acknowledging that particular message, we know your anxiety. I agree. Even if I were in your position, I would have written more also. But still, again I am repeating, again I am requesting all the three institutes, whether it is Company Secretaries of India, whether it is the Chartered Accountant Institute of India or our Cost Accountants Institute, I am assuring you, all are with you. I can never find even a single elected representative or faculty members or for that matter the officials of the institute who are not having any concern for you. No, everybody are talking about this matter only. So rest assured, when time comes, you will get the proper notification. As of now, it is too early to tell because we are taking stock of situation. All are doing that. Please don't worry. This is my humble request. Your Papan Bhai's request. Still, whenever you feel that you are little bit of, you write to me. You can send personalized messages also. But let us, if possible, my suggestion, when institute or somebody is putting some other tweet, immediately don't have a feeling that by putting your message there, then only these people will see. No. Otherwise also we are there. And regarding the examination, the change of center, even now we are helping. Na? Though whoever has applied and have some genuine reason, we are helping. Na? We are permitting for one more group. Na? So what more you want? Though cut-off date and other things were told, like 31st May, still we are doing. Even today morning I got one request from one of the students for change of center, and our officials examination department, they are taking care. The secretary of the institute is taking care. The president is very much concerned about that. Vice president is very much, he being the chairman of T&DF, he is also concerned about that. All the council colleagues for that matter, they are in touch with many of the students from their places. Only because I am coming frequently, today also I have come. I am taking little bit extra time today repeating the same thing. However, still I feel very happy to address you like this because you should have some communication from our side officially. It is not that बातें करते चलते हैं कुछ नहीं करता, ऐसा नहीं है. That is also your anxiety. We are not here only for talking. We know how to walk the talk also. At the appropriate time, every time we have come with the notification, na, President has ensured, na, the Secretary has ensured, na, it is coming. Na. So for July examination also, and those who are very much telling that, sir, don't cancel the examination. Yes, we are also not interested in cancelling the examination. However, taking stock of the situation, if need be, we may have to postpone again. We may have to, not the question of cancelling, we may have to postpone also. We don't know. So as of now, July, all the 3 institutes will be going ahead with the examination. As of now, if need be, definitely, because students of our costing institute is not our own students. You are doing the other courses also. We are aware. All the 3 institute president, their elected representatives, everybody are with the students. I am assuring you. You may ask, how do you know about other institute? I know how much concern they also have for the students like we have. Nobody is having the thrill of saying that okay, let them do whatever they want. ऐसा नहीं है. सब लोग एक साथ इस पर्टिकुलर एस्पेक्ट में सब लोग का एक ही फोकस्ड अप्रोच है कि टेक केयर ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, देयर कंसर्न, देयर एंग्जाइटी, and we will never let you down. This is my humble submission, your Papan Bhai submission. Yes, break the chain. Again I am telling you, keep social distancing, break the chain, but not the relationship. Okay, please be safe, please be blessed, and as part of your enjoyment of so many other activities, please enjoy studying also. If possible, do more new online courses, enrich your knowledge, or try to attend the online classes, webinars, webinars organized by all the 3 institutes. Learn more, so that, who knows, all this learning with enjoyment will come to a great help as a tool for your successful career in life. Right? आज थोड़ा ज़्यादा बोल दिया. I have told some extra because I am so much worried about so many calls, so many messages, so many tweets, so many direct calls, direct messages coming through Twitter, WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, personal messages, SMS, calls by the parents, calls by the faculty members also. Many are calling. So don't worry, right? We all are with you. All the best, right? For the time being, I am taking leave.